Okay, so I'm here in the laundry room. There is about a 2¼ inch clean out located in the laundry room, ABS. Laundry area, I should say, is in the garage here. You can see the pipes there. I'm in the garage. Go ahead and drop down. Okay, so we're in the main sewer lateral. It is ABS. It looks really good. We're going to make a turn here. Looks like I turn right. Go down. Still ABS. Sewer lateral still looking good. About 18 feet in. Another turn at 22 feet. Still ABS, looks good. A little bit of water there. Okay, I'm going to pause it. I got to turn on some water. A little difficult to push without running water, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. Back on, turn on the water. It's going to fill up here. Get past this point. Alright, you see the water flow. 34 feet. It looks like we're in the main sewer line here. There's a snap picture right there. I think we're at the end here. And that drops down to the main, and it's 51 feet out. Looks like out in front. I made a lot of turns. But we're there at 51 feet, and snap a picture. And so that's our sewer scope. Everything looks good. All ABS all the way out. It connects to the HOA line. I foresee no issues in the future. It looks like a really good clean sewer line. Well, thank you. That's a reliable property inspection for the sewer scope. Thank you.